Unit 1 Leisure Activities Page 6 Getting Started Activity 1 Listen and read.
Check out this book, Fup. My mini guide to dog training.
Sounds great. Max'll like it too. Last weekend we learned some tricks. I love to watch him. It's so much fun. Have you found your craft kit?
Yes, I've found this one. It's got everything. Beads, stickers, wool, buttons. I don't know. It'll take all my savings.
But it's right up your street. Nick, what's that?
It's a CD of Vietnamese folk songs. I'll listen to it tonight.
And you'll be able to improve your Vietnamese.
Haha, not sure about that, but I think I'll enjoy listening to the melodies.
Look at the language website I sent you. It'll help you learn Vietnamese more easily.
Yes, I liked reading Doraemon comics while I was learning Japanese.
Stop reading comics. I'll bring you my favourite short story this Sunday when we play football.
Sorry, but we have to hurry. Mum and Dad are waiting. We need to buy some tools to build a new house for Max this weekend.
Activity 2 Find words or phrases in the box to describe the photos. Then, listen to check your answers.
1. Playing computer games. 2. Playing beach games. 3. Doing DIY. 4. Texting. 5. Visiting museums. 6. Making crafts.